Welcome back to the Rider Pro. Today we're taking a closer look at what riders can expect from the 2026 Suzuki TU250X, a motorcycle beloved for its simplicity, reliability, and classic styling. While Suzuki hasn't officially released details yet, industry patterns and past TU250X models give us a strong picture of what might be coming. Let's dive in. A classic returns. The TU250X has always stood out in a market packed with aggressive, futuristic designs. Its traditional round headlight, teardrop tank, and upright seating position appeal to riders who appreciate retro charm without sacrificing dependability. For 2026, Suzuki is expected to maintain this timeless aesthetic, just with a more refined and modern touch. Engine and performance. If Suzuki continues the TU legacy, the 2026 model will likely keep the 249cc air-cooled, single-cylinder setup, known for light maintenance and outstanding fuel economy. However, updates to meet global emissions requirements could bring smoother fuel injection, improved throttle response, and possibly a slight bump in efficiency, tech, and features. Even though the TU250X is known for minimalism, 2026 could introduce modest modern upgrades. Think a cleaner digital analog hybrid gauge, brighter LED lighting while retaining the vintage look, enhanced ABS for safety. These updates would keep the bike approachable for beginners while still satisfying purists' ride experience. The TU line has always delivered an easygoing ride, lightweight, predictable, and perfect for city commuting or relaxed weekend runs. With a slim profile and friendly power delivery, the 2026 version is expected to remain an ideal entry-level motorcycle that still brings a smile to seasoned riders. Price and market. Position. Suzuki has historically priced the TU250X competitively, making it a favorite for budget-conscious riders. If that philosophy continues, the 2026 model should offer strong value compared to modern retro competitors. Final thoughts. The 2026 Suzuki TU250X looks poised to carry forward the legacy of one of Suzuki's most charming small displacement motorcycles. Classic looks, reliable engineering, and a few modern touches could make it a standout choice for riders seeking simplicity in a world of tech-heavy bikes.